What's up guys, today we are going to talk about iPhone 12. Before that, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. So as per rumors, there are going to be 4 iPhone models this year. 2 are going to be Pro models and 2 are going to be non-Pro models, making them totally 4 devices. Apple will be using the same size notch on iPhone 12 lineup which they introduced since Apple iPhone X models. The leaked display part has confirmed that the size of the notch is going to be same as older iPhones. Apple is not going to use 120Hz refresh rate displays this year on their iPhones, not even in their Pro models. They are sticking with 60Hz refresh rate this year. Apple has not confirmed the reason why they are not using 120Hz this year. It might be due to OLED screens facing green tint display issues which were seen in OnePlus 8 Pro and Galaxy S20 Ultra. The reason is still unknown why Apple is not using 120Hz refresh rate display this year. As per rumors, 5G is only going to be available for Pro models and non-Pro models are going to have only 4G. We may still have the same notch, but Apple is set to bring slimmer bezels than the current iPhone 11 Pro lineup. They are also said to bring stainless steel design. Apple also has changed the camera arrangement as well. According to the latest leaks, this is how the LiDAR sensor could look on the iPhone 12. It is also said that the LiDAR sensor could also be present on the non-Pro iPhone 12 models. According to leaks, LiDAR sensor will have special features that will assist in photography. As per the camera sensor, Apple has tested the 64-megapixel sensor, but the results were not satisfied by Apple. So they are going to use new fast auto-focusing 12-megapixel sensor. As always, we can see huge improvements in video performance. It is also rumored that iPhone 12 is going to get astrophotography mode. As far as we've seen, it is going to have same notch design. But you're getting most powerful phone in the world thanks to the Apple A14 Bionic chip. Currently Snapdragon 865 Plus barely matches the Apple A13. Apple A14 is going to bring the difference to a next level. It is going to be very hard for Samsung to match the performance of Apple A14 chip. According to the leaks, CPU gains can be 40% faster than the Apple A13 chip. Apple A14 chip is 50% more efficient in GPU compared to A13 chip. That is a serious increase in horsepower. Apple A14 is a 5nm processor, so in addition to super powerful chip, it is also going to be a lot more efficient compared to the Apple A13 7nm processor. The reason why Apple iPhone 12 series are going to have less battery capacity is because the 5nm Apple A14 chip is more power efficient than Apple A13. The Apple A14 processor is so powerful that they could be bringing this processor in their Mac lineup. They might bring Apple A14X for Apple MacBook. This Apple A14 chip can be also used in video performance. It is rumored that Apple could bring 4K at 120 FPS at much dynamic range. The videos taken on this phone could look really good compared to the current competition. It is confirmed that Apple is not going to include charging adapter in the box, but they will include the charging cable in the box. This are going to be the price of the iPhone 12 series. So there was rumors that iPhone 12 lineup launch date could be postponed, but that is not the case anymore. As per the current news, it is said that iPhone 12 Pro series are going to be launched as usual without any delay. But the iPhone 12 non-Pro series are going to be delayed. iPhone 12 Pro series are going to be launched as usual between 8th to 12th September in online-only event.